Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Delaney. I love thrifting, home decor, my cat's plants, all the good stuff, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm really excited about, as always, because I am finally showing you guys a house tour, an empty house tour of our new house that we just got. If you guys are new here, we've been searching for a house for months and months and months, so I'm so glad that we finally got one. And as you guys will see in the footage, it wasn't the best day to film a house tour, but it was the only day before our contractors came and everything changed, so I just had to film it. It's kind of dark and gloomy. It was a really rainy day, so you guys will see that. You'll also see I'll probably be out of breath. 26 weeks pregnant now, so I'm getting kind of out of breath easily. And you'll see that I'm kind of like down in the video. That was just because it was not at all what we expected. We got there and and I explained this in the video as well, the previous owners didn't clean well, and it was just kind of gross and just not like really what I expected, but that's okay. After we do paint and flooring and a deep clean, I think it will be great and just a great space for us to make our own. I have so many plans for this space and I just can't wait to show you. I've been buying home decor, new lights, tons of stuff like crazy. I have a whole plan to redo the kitchen, so I just really can't wait for you guys to see it, and it'll be nice for you guys to see it how it is now and what I turn it into over the next year, I'm sure. Who knows how long it'll take me since I'm going to be having a baby in October, but yeah, at least you'll get the idea. But before we get into that, let me thank today's video sponsor, Vendoo. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. I've talked about them many times, so you guys should be well aware of what they are, who they are. It is a cross-listing platform, and it is by far my favorite reselling tool to make extra money. If you're a reseller or if you're just trying to make some extra money this summer, it is a great tool to have. So basically, you make all of your drafts, and with a click of a button, you can list on all the different platforms you sell on. You guys know I sell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop, and I can list on all 4 of those in minutes, which is amazing. It saves me so much time, and it just helps me to be able to list every day, to be consistent, and to get my items out there to more platforms so they have a higher chance of selling. Last video I gave you guys a little tutorial on how to use Vendoo, so if you want a full depth tutorial, you should definitely check that out. But overall, I just think Vendoo is great for every single person who is trying to sell things online. It saves you a lot of time and, of course, generates you more money because your items are selling faster on all of these different platforms. I've used them for over a year now and absolutely love them. I would still be using them even if they weren't sponsoring today's video, but if you guys are interested, definitely check out my link down below. You guys will not regret it. Okay, let's move on into the house tour. Please let me know what you guys think down below, what ideas you have. I have a whole Pinterest board full of stuff, and I'm just really excited for you guys to see it, and hopefully you guys can see the fun potential like I can, and the backyard is the best part, so definitely check out that. Okay, just got here, and try to keep in mind that some things are going to change. Obviously we're painting everything, and we desperately need to clean. The people before us did not clean well at all. We also want to change out a lot of the lights, and some of the rooms need can lights, so we're gonna add those as well. But here's the front door. Also, I'm sorry if I get out of breath because I'm very pregnant. So front door, there's a little closet here, and then this is one of the rooms that needs can lights, and it's a really rainy, gloomy day, so it's hard to see. Let me open these. But this is the bigger of our 2 living rooms. It's nice and big. I don't love the floors. They're like a cheap laminate, but eventually we want to replace those, but it'll be fine for now with some rugs and stuff. Probably put a TV there, but it is very big. We have a big sectional that we can put here, and then there's lots of room over here as well. And then it goes right into the formal dining room, which I already ordered new light for that. And like I said, everything is gonna be painted pretty much all white just to start, just like for a fresh start. We'll have a table and a rug here. And then really pretty view to our backyard. I'll show you that more. Going into our kitchen, I have lots of plans for this kitchen. They really liked gray, which nothing wrong with that. It's just too much gray for my liking. So here's the kitchen. Got the view of our pool. We finally have a dishwasher, thank God. Our last place did not. Yeah, like I said, I have a lot of plans. I want to change the backsplash, paint, change hardware, change the sink, change the light. But for now, it's totally fine. Just really needs cleaned. It's a pretty big kitchen as well. There's the hall to the entrance, and here's a half bath. This one needs some work for sure. The previous owners kindly left us some pee in the toilet, which was disgusting. And then this is like a little dining nook. We need to buy a cabinet to put here as like a pantry because we don't have a pantry. Again, I'm changing this light. And then over here we have the laundry room. They did leave us like random stuff too. Like, why would I want that nasty laundry hamper and hangers, but it's fine. We'll just get rid of them. And it really needs painted in here. It's like gross and dirty and splotchy paint. And then you walk over here. This is the second living room. It's pretty big. We'll put a couch here, maybe 2 chairs. Yeah, TV. I'll paint the built-ins and put new hardware. I do want to paint the brick, which I know might be controversial, but I do want to paint that. And then really pretty doors to the outside with the pool. I love our backyard so much. This is a door to the garage. It's just a 2-car garage. And then we're going upstairs. Like I said, this all needs overhead lighting really bad, so we're gonna put in some can lights. All of this carpet is going, it is so gross, and we're gonna redo the banister as well. This is the flooring that we picked. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a lighter vinyl plank, so ignore all the carpet and the paint colors. All of that's gonna change. Okay, right as you walk up the stairs to the right is our master. This is gonna be painted, light will be changed, no carpet. So that will make a huge difference right there. And also I want to take down like the blinds, that mirror. I want to paint in here. Just needs a lot of paint. And here's the bathroom. Like I said, they didn't clean. There's literally hair right there, which is so stinking gross, but it's fine. We'll clean it. It's all right. This is gonna be our baby's room. It's very big. And paint, change out lights, take down those. But she'll have a nice big walk-in closet. Then we move to the guest bathroom. It's nice, it just needs cleaned, and the flooring's gonna change in here too. Eventually I would love to change out the lights, mirror, things like that. And then there's a little linen closet, another small room. We debated on this being the nursery because it is small. So I don't know, this one might be, we'll see. Again though, it does have really nice big closet, which I like. And then moving in to the last bedroom. Wow, I'm glad that we're changing this. That looks horrible. Yeah, the blinds have got to go, and so does the light. It's horrible. Yeah, the carpet is so disgusting. I just realized how gross it is. And then again, a nice size closet. This will definitely just be a guest room. And that's it. And then we just walk down the stairs and we're back to where we started. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to head to the house now to do some more deep cleaning. The painter is there. We ended up hiring somebody. Well, my husband's grandma's a painter, so we hired her just because I'm pregnant and my husband's working and I'm working, so it's just too hard to try to do it all. And the flooring guy should be there this week, so hopefully we can move in a week to 2 weeks depending on when all of this stuff gets done. So definitely be sure to check out my channel. I'll have moving videos decorating videos. I'm probably going to post reels and TikToks of that as well. So definitely check out my socials down below, and don't forget to check out Vendu as well. Have a great week, guys. Bye.